year gap. So after that, here in Japan, we have to learn Japanese to start working. So I have learned Japanese, and from last October, I've been working with this. So I want to have a career change uh, to a technology where it will not affected by AI. So I chose SAP MM
Oh,
with my friend's suggestion.
okay. So, in which
So
technology you are working now?
currently, I'm working as a manual test engineer.
Manual test engineer. And by qualification, you are
Engineer BAC.
BSc, right? And
Yes.
from which city you are belonging?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay. So, in my introduction, this is like Ajit Kumar Sahu. You must see my name in the script. So, I belongs to Odisha. You know Odisha?
Yeah, I have heard about the place.
Okay. So, I belongs to Odisha. Currently, I'm staying in Bhubaneswar itself, in Odisha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have 9 years of experience in SAP MM basically as a consultant and having 3 years in the training experience. I have worked in both ECC S4HANA and currently working in the cloud as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it'll all be the working with the ECC HANA and cloud all would be same or different.
Yeah, a little bit different in between like ECC and HANA because some functionality have been changed in S4 HANA. But the rest of the thing is fine in SAP MM point of view. You see, with the time SAP like he launched his new product that was like S4 HANA, right? In S4 HANA, and so industry level, what was the like previous industry in SAP, right? So it become like broad, right? So that's why in SAP HANA there will be some functionality have been changed in different department. But in SAP MM point of view, a little bit changes have been taken place, right? I will say you like what are the changes have been taken, right? So we'll explain about that. And next is a cloud. In cloud every functionality will be like search, right? So in HANA we have to like use the T codes, right, to create any functionality in SAP. But in cloud you have to search like a browser, like whatever we are like we have to search everything in the like Chrome and all, right? Any to browse the data. The similar way we have to use the like cloud, right? But yes, if you have the knowledge in any like a software in SAP, you can easily adopt the next one. There will be no issue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, you have told me I think you already attend the SAP training previously, right? 2 3 years
No, no,
before.
I did not attend. I took a course from Udemy and started with few lessons, but I did not know what needs to be learned as a basic. So directly, the first chapter itself was purchase order creation.
Okay.
So I was struggling with creating a purchase order. Then when I checked it with my friend, she helped me to create a purchase order. But she explained me that before a company has to be created and vendor has to be created, then only we can because while creating the purchase order, the vendor and some like a purchase organization group could not be linked. So it was keep showing error. I could not even understand what kind of error it is.
Oh,
So she was telling me that it would be better to learn from basics, but I did not know what is actually the basics. I thought with the Udemy course that purchase order creation itself is the basic one.
I got your
Uh,
point. Actually, many people are calling like yes, we have the like server access, right? So we are also providing the server access. So many people are calling from like different cities, right, regarding that training program, right? So they have like chosen the Udemy course since Udemy is providing in a very less price, right? But the
mm,
thing is that to learn something and do the practice is completely different, right? So I will cover one by one. We'll see, right? So I will help
mm,
you
okay.
definitely from that.
So, and today's demo class, I thought
Hmm.
I would be joining in the class when you will be taking for other learners. So, is it specially only for me?
Because see, in a batch there will be 5 to 6 people will be there, right? Because we are not taking more people, right? And in SAP, what will happen? It will never happen like more like 10, 15 people will join at a time. It is not like that, right? Because it is a technical course, right? So currently you have the requirement, so that's why you are planning to join, right? So in that
Mm.
way, people are joining, right? So in a batch, there will be 5 to 6 people will be there mostly, right? And maximum if you go it will be 10 people, so it will be fine if you are attending the training program for like a demo purpose, that will be fine, you can attend single.
Okay. So, if I'm interested to join, then I'll be put up in a group, or it will be a one-to-one class.
Or not to one to one, there will be 4 5 people will be there, right? People are like aligned, right, to join the course, right? So there will be 4 to 5 people will be there, but yes, whatever the course will cover, that will be one by one, right, topic. Because if I will take you into a like a ongoing batch, right, you cannot understood everything, right? So that's why we have to go in a proper beginner way, right? So that you can understood everything in a proper way.
So, any new batches getting
Yeah,
started
yeah, yeah, yeah. We are going
from
to start
when?
a new batch. It will be mostly in the next month, 5th of the month, December 5th.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understand. Okay.
So we'll start now.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Everything.
in the demo class, what will go? What are the points we are going to cover? First, we will discuss regarding what is SAP. We'll discuss regarding briefing area regarding the SAP, and then after we'll discuss regarding like what are the job opportunities, what are the jobs available in SAP, and what will be the job, like what will be your roles responsibility over there, we'll discuss regarding that. And after that we'll discuss regarding projects in SAP, what are the different type of projects. And then after we'll go for the course content. So we'll go for the course content, and then after we'll go for the practical overview of SAP, right? And then after we'll go for the question and answer round. So these are the topics we'll cover like today. After this, we'll see if there will be the time, then we can cover some little bit thing for the next topic. Okay.
Okay. So, mostly today's class would be all theoretical.
Mostly theoretical, but it is important, right? I can say
Sorry.
it will be important because if you are not able to understand the introduction about SAP, right? So the next topic will be difficult for you, right? So that's why I'm going in a very beginner way.
I
But mostly it
understand.
will be theoretical.
I want to
Mostly it will be
see.
theoretical. Yeah. You don't
Yeah.
need to make any notes, right? Because I will share you the notes as well as the recording of the class. I'm doing the recording.
Okay. What my question is, means I don't need to get to know about what are all will be covered. I just want to see one class that how the usual class will be going on, like how the informations will be
Yeah,
taught.
this way. Yeah, you just keep patience. Everything you will
You're,
learn.
you're covering many topics, right? Today, I don't want to cover many topics. I just want to see one class how the teacher is teaching. I
Yes.
mean to say, like I want to see whether the teacher is like taking the one of, or at least
Yeah,
one topic,
I understood your point. I'm going in
making the
that way
student
only.
understand or in how he's explaining that particular topic and how he's showing it in a practical way. So that way only I'll understand how the teacher will
Yeah,
teach, right?
yeah, I
I
got
don't
your
want to know
point.
about the
Yeah,
topics because I know that when I join in a class, definitely based on the trainings and institute, there will
yeah.
be.
I completely got your point, right? I'm going in that way only, right? If I am covering the first topic, right? Because if I will go for the directly master data class, right, you will not understood what I am taking you, right? So that's why I'm going in a starting way, right? So don't worry, you just patience, you will learn everything, right? So you are expecting like I should cover a one topic. So how we are covering the topic, you just want to know, right? So in that way, I'm
How
going.
a teacher is, I want to see how a trainer is teaching
Mm.
and explaining a topic, whether in an understandable way or uh, yeah, I want to see in that way. I don't want to. I don't want to have the demo class about what all the topics will be covered. I just want to see how the trainer is taking the class.
Yeah, I'm going in that way only. Just keep him and give him 5 to 10 minutes because we have the 45-minute classes, right? You will understood how I'm taking the topic.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So yeah, you have the idea regarding SAP, right? You know what is SAP?
Yeah, yeah, enterprise resource management.
Okay, what is SAP?
It's it's an enterprise resource management software, right?
Okay. So SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing, right? So this is the full form of a SAP, right? So, but yes, if someone is asking you like what is SAP, as you said, SAP is an ERP product. So SAP is an ERP product. ERP means, as you said, like ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, right? So we all know enterprise means any type of business, any company, right? So a company may have different resources, right? Like it may be manpower, it may be machinery, it may be finance, right? So to manage all those resources, we need a software. That software is called as the ERP software, right? So now question arising, kya only SAP is the ERP available in the market? Do you have idea?
Sorry?
Only SAP is the ERP available in the market, or
No, no,
apart?
there are many ERPs available in the product like
Yes,
Tally
other
and so.
ERPs also available in the market, right? So what are the
Yes.
other ERPs? Do you have any idea?
Uh, yeah, I know about Tally,
Yes,
uh, uh, something,
Oracle, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards. So these are the different ERP already available in the market, right? So whatever I have mentioned. Now question arising, if there are a lot of ERPs available in the market, then why SAP? Why you are planning for the SAP if there are other ERP also available in the market? Right? So if you'll go for the tally mostly used by the small scale industries, right? It may be for the finance purpose, they are using the tally software. If you'll go
okay.
for the Oracle gives the better solution for the banking industry, right? In banking sector, they are using the Oracle software mostly. And PeopleSoft gives the better solution for the HR solution. If you go for the JD Edwards, it will be very good for the sales. And if you will go for the band, it is very good for the purchasing, right? So whatever the software I have mentioned over here, every software is meant for a particular purpose. But yes, if you go for the SAP is an integrated ERP. SAP is an integrated ERP. Do you have idea what is integrated ERP?
Yes, it covers all the areas like purchase,
Yes.
sales and
Yes,
distribution,
that is
finance.
the one point why the companies are using SAP software, because it is the integrated ERP, right? So this is the only one point, and apart from this point, there are a lot of reasons why SAP is popular. SAP is the worldwide software, right? And it is stores the data in the centrally manner. So these are the few reasons why SAP is popular in current time. Got it? So
Yes.
now we'll go for the next point, that is called as if SAP is demanded, right? So what are the different jobs available in the SAP? So basically in SAP there will be two type of job. One is called as the end user job. Second one is called as the consultant job. Do you have idea what is end user job?
End user is who's using the SAP.
Hmm.
Consultant is um,
Okay, so end user are those people who are working in the front end of the software, right?
yes,
So
yes,
those people will enter the data on the basis of regular transactions or a regular business process of the client, right? So that
yes.
will be the end user. And in which company end user can do the job? in any company where SAP is already implemented or SAP software is used. In those companies, the end users can be work, right? It may be Coca-Cola, it may be Britannia, it may be a Tata Steel, it may be Tata Motors, it may be a Reliance Group, right? So in those company, end users can work. And what will be the salary bracket of the end user? It will be starting from the 20K. It will be 20K to like you can go for 1 lakh for month as per the company, as per the experience, right? It will
Uh,
be the work of the
so,
end.
yeah. So, being an end user also should know how to use the SAP.
Yes, definitely.
So,
Yeah.
what is the difference between end user? So, end user would be just using the SAP software, right?
Yes, they have to just enter the data. Like you, what we are using Excel, right? We are maintaining the data, right? So
Yeah,
in
yeah.
that way, so SAP in SAP software, let example, someone is working in the purchasing department, right? So the
Okay,
what will be the work of the user, right? So what are the company like purchasing? What are the material the company is purchasing, right? How to create the purchase order? How to do the good receipt? How to do the like purchase requisition? So those part will be covered by the end user, right? So
okay,
they just have to like maintain the data. Get it?
okay,
So what will be the consultant work? Consultant are those people who will work in the back end of a software, right? Backend of the software means what? So currently SAP providing 12 plus industrial solution. What is the 12 plus industrial solution? The company maybe belongs to the manufacturing, retail, real estate, and maybe pharmaceutical, right? So SAP covers all the like different industries to give the solution, right? So let example, you will work for a manufacturing company. The business process in the manufacturing company is completely different from a retail sector, right? So as a consultant, what you have to do as per the industry sector, you have to give the business solution. So the client will like the consultant will modify the software, right? Or customizing the software as per the client's requirement. So that's why the consultant people are called as the back end people.
so they are like technical people who the ABAP and all those things, right?
Are not exactly technical. As a MM also you will be called as a consultant. In all the modules there will be the end user and consultant.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, got it.
So a consultant would be developing that
So see, SAP software is already a developed software, right? What you have to do, we have to do the customization. Let example, we will implement SAP into a company like a manufacturing, right? So their business, as per their business process, we have to customizing the software, right? If we'll go for any other industry, we will customizing the like software accordingly.
okay.
Yeah. So we'll see. We'll discuss those part in the project discussion. You understood what is end user, what is consultant?
Yes, 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 yes.
So now, where the consultant will you work in which company? Consultant can work in IT companies. Those are the service provider company, as well as they can work for the production based company. Production based company means where the end user will work in that company's consultant also will work, as well as so consultant will work in the service provider company. Service provider company in the sense like TCS, Infosys, Deloitte, right? And apart from these MNCs, there are a lot of companies whom are providing the SAP services, right? So in those companies, you can work as a consultant. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So now what will be the salary bracket of a consultant? It will be starting same almost 20 25,000 to start hoga. It will start from the 25K and it will go up to like 30 lakh for month as well. There will be certain consultant having good packages, right? If you have the experience 4 to 5 year as a consultant, your package minimum 1.2 lakh sorry 12 LPA, otherwise like 15 LPA in that way. If you have the experience for the 10 years in SAP, so your salary may be 20 LPA or 25 LPA as per your experience, as per your knowledge, right? So the consultant salary will be so high.
Okay.
So now the question arising, why the consultant salary is so high? What will be the work of a consultant, right? So for that we will discuss regarding the projects in SAP. What are the different projects available in SAP, right? So the first type of project is called as the implementation project. Have you heard about it?
Implementation project. No, I haven't.
So this is the important point. You will missed. That's why I'm just explaining because these points are very linked to the like topic. Support project. Then next one is rollout project. Apart from these three projects, there will be upgradation project, there will be the migration project, there will be different project. But these three projects are most and most important because as a consultant in real time, you have to work on this project, and in your CV also you have to mention regarding this project, right? If you are showing the like you have the experience and all. Right. So now come to the implementation project where as a consultant you will work. So see, in projects, the consultant will work only. End user never work in any project. They will work as a like a user in any company where SAP is implemented. Right.
Okay.
So what is the implementation project? Implementation means what? We have to install SAP for the very first time. Let example, there is a company where the company is operate through the Tally ERP or Oracle ERP. So now the company is like growing in a good way, right? So someone is approached him to install SAP in that company. So newly, if you want to put the SAP in a company, that is called as the implementation project. And implementation project does not mean कि like just software install करना है नहीं. You don't need to like only install the software, right? So to implement SAP in a company, it will take almost 8 months to 1 year. It takes 8 months to 1 year time to implement SAP in a company, and
Uh,
almost there will be 1 crore rupees will be expense, right, to implement SAP in a company, right? Depending upon the project size, right? It may be 2 crore also. It may be like 1.5 year also. Depending upon the like company size, it will take almost more time. But yes, at
uh,
least it will be 8 months, 1 year time will taken,
so
right?
it is like migrating it from if they are
Not
using Tally or some other ERP, moving from Tally to data
yes,
source, from
yes.
Tally to ERP, right?
Yes,
That's
Tally
how it
ERP
is.
too. Instead of Tally ERP, we have to use SAP ERP, right?
So,
And to implement SAP in a company, only as a MM consultant, you will not work. With you, there will be 12 to 15 consultant will be there, right? From different background. There will be the FICO consultant, there will be MM consultant, there will be ABAP consultant, there will be the basis consultant, right? So basically, it will be a teamwork, right? So you have to talk with the client, right? There will be different stages in the implementation project. There will be 5 stages. So you will learn in the project classes what is ASAP methodology and what is activate methodology. So and these are the some methodology on the basis of which we will implement SAP in a company, right? In the methodology there will be 5 stages. What is the like a business sorry, what is the project preparation stage, what is the business blueprint stage, what is the like realization stage, what is the final preparation stage, what is the go live stage, right? So in different stages there will be your like your roles and responsibility will be different, right? And in every like stages, it will take almost 2 to 3 months, right? So we'll learn those part in the implementation project in the classes. Okay. So
okay.
this is called as the implementation project, means you have to implement SAP for the very first time. Now come to the support project. What is the support project? Let example, in a company already SAP have been implemented, right? When the users will use that software, right? So in the regular basis there will be some tickets will arise. Okay, something will like happen which is not resolved by the user. Sometimes PO will not happen. Sometimes good receipt will not happen, right? So there will be certain issue will come in the software, right? So to resolve those part, there will be the consultant people who will work in the back end. So those people are called as the support project or support people, right? So in every company there will be the or like a support team or a backend IT team. Those people will work as a support like a consultant,
So
right?
they should also have good knowledge about SAP,
Obviously,
and
because
they should be able to help
yes,
with end users.
yes, if you don't have the knowledge regarding the consultant, you cannot resolve the issue. So how you will detect where the issue is all about? Getting, so all the consultant can work as a implementation project as well as they can work as a support project also, right? And where you
So
have to work.
the
So
scope
let it.
of
Hmm. Yeah,
the scope. scope will be same for both support and implementation, or if
Definitely, definitely. In current scenario, so see how many companies are available in the current market, right? It will be sometimes it will be limited, right? But yes, where SAP is already implemented, they need the support, right? Otherwise, who will give the support, right? So see, let example, you are working in the TCS. I just take an example, right? So and here you have a company called as the Puneet Private Limited. Your name is Puneet, I think, right? You're
yes,
Puneet,
Punita. Yeah, Punita.
and there will be some pronunciation issue, so to kindly
Punita.
manage. Okay. Punita Private Limited, right? So, let
Yes.
example, your company is using Oracle in current time, right? So, TCS, sales team will know ki, there is a company, Punita Private Limited, who is generating a revenue of like 500 crore plus in a year. So, they will approach you to implement SAP, right? And with your approval, they will implement SAP in your company. That is called as the implementation project, right? So once in your company SAP is implemented, right, for the regular support, you should have a backend team, right? So that is called as the support project. Here there will be two part, right? So in your own company you can hire the SAP MM consultant in the backend for the backend support, right? That is one part. Otherwise you can give your project to the TCS, the other company, to give the support project as well. Getting
Give them.
example what ki TCS employee is not only you helping for the implementation, they are also taking the project for the support as well. That means what? You will work in the TCS, right? Payroll company will be TCS, but you will work for some other company as a support consultant. In that way also you can go.
Okay.
Got it? And in the second example, Tata Motors, let example, Tata Motors having own a support team. You can work. Tata Motors is not IT company, right? But they have the IT team, so you can work in that team as well as a SAP MM consultant. So that's why in SAP there will be the more like a possibility or the opportunity in the market. So that means you can work in the IT company as well as you can work in the manufacturing industries.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So now come to the rollout project. What is the rollout project? Let example, you have the Puneet Private Limited having a manufacturing unity in Bangalore. Let example, right? So where in SAP we are working over there, right? So let example you expand your business and you open another like a factory or a manufacturing unity in Delhi location, right? So in Delhi location, whatever the like thing you will open, right, that need to also map to the SAP, right? So to map those part into the SAP, it is called as the rollout project. That means already SAP is working in your company, but you have opened a new unity. Otherwise, you can start some other business. Let example, you have the manufacturing business. Currently, you are planning for the real estate. So real estate जो business start होगा उसमें भी तो कुछ start करना है. So in a real estate also you can map to the SAP. So those part is called as the rollout project. Got it or not?
Yeah, yeah. Extending it to the next
Yes, yes,
branch, or
yes. That is called as a rollout project. Apart from this, mostly in the market, when you complete your training, you will get the chance for the three thing, right? Either implementation, support, or rollout. In the like starting, the fresher, you will never work in the implementation project because implementation is a little bit a risk thing, right? So as a fresher, you will work as an assistant only, but they will not directly involve you in the implementation project because the project carries like 1 crore 2 crore of like a thing, right? So that's why they will work assist you for as a assistant only in the implementation project. But in the starting you can get the chance for the support project, rollout project, in that way. Got it?
okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So now come to the topic, right? So see, whatever the thing we'll learn throughout the classes, everything links to the implementation support or rollout project. What that mean, right? ऐसे नहीं होगा. It will be not happen कि like whatever the thing will cover first we'll cover the theoretical thing, then we'll go for the practical. In it will not like that, right? So whatever the thing we'll learn, everything will involve to the implementation project, right? So now if I'll go for our first topic, that topic is called as the enterprise structure. What is enterprise structure? So see, let example we will go for implement SAP in a company, right? So to implement SAP in a company, first what we have to create? First we have to create the structure of the company, right? How the company is spread out throughout the India or throughout the world, right? So let example you want to start a business. So first what you have to do? First you need to take the approval from the government. You have to do the government registration, then you have to develop the infrastructure, right? Then after you go one by one. So in the similar manner, when you will go for the support project or implementation project, first you have to find out what is the structure of the company, how the company is spread out, right? So for that topic, there is a topic name is called as the enterprise structure, or otherwise it is known as organizational structure. So the first topic is enterprise structure or organizational structure. If I'll go for the topic, so these are the topics we are going to cover throughout the classes. First one is called as the introduction, whatever I have taken, right? The second topic is called as the enterprise structure, right? So topic name is enterprise structure. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So what enterprise structure we understood, right? I just take an example. Let example we are going to implement SAP in the Tata. Already we know like Tata have the SAP, but I just take the example. Tata groups of companies, right? Why will told is as the Tata groups of company, because within Tata groups, right, there will be Tata Motors, there is Tata Steel, there is TCS, there will be Tata Chemicals. A lot of companies is present within the Tata, right? So if you will go for the Tata Motors is in different cities, right? It will be in Delhi, it will be in Mumbai, right? It will be in Kolkata, it will be in the different cities, right? So this way the Tata group is existing. Similarly, if you will go for the Tata Steel, it is also available in the different places. TCS also available in the different places. So this is called as the different level of a company, right? So these are the different labels of a company. So when we will create SAP, right, when we will work on the SAP, first what we have to do, we have to create different labels in SAP, right? So what will be the structure in SAP? If we go for the SAP structure in SAP, how the enterprise structure will be in SAP. So the first level is called as the company. I will explain you what is company. So just give me one second. So we have to create first company. Then the next level is called as the company code. Third level is called as the plant. You heard about the name? Plant,
Yes.
company code and all.
Yeah, in the purchase order creation.
Okay. I just explain you what are those part. Storage location, then purchasing organization. So see, I'm just talking about in the SAP MM point of view, right? So as SAP MM, I will later will go for that. So see, first I will explain what is company, right? So these are the different labels in SAP, right? Company, what is company? The topmost organization level is called as the company. The first one is called as the company, right? So
Okay.
let us say we have taken like Punith Private Limited. So Punith Private Limited will be your company. Got it? So
Yes.
company code. What will be the company code? The units or the different business available within the
Mm.
company, those are called as the company code. Like Tata Motors is a company code. Tata Motors is a company code. TCS is a company code. A company have different businesses. Those businesses are called as a different company code. That means what? A company may have multiple company code, right? But it is not guaranteed every company have multiple company code. Let example, you have Pune, you have the company, right? And your company is a manufacturing company. Your company is a, let example, biscuit factory. You have the biscuit factory and who is doing quite good, right? And from one company only you are generating a good revenue, right? And in your company we want to implement SAP. right? So you have a single company. So that means what? Punit Private Limited is the company, as well as we can take the Punit Private Limited as your company code as well. Got it or not?
No, I don't. No, I don't understand.
See, Tata groups of companies is called as the company, which is the topmost organization level,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes,
Tata
yes.
Motors, Tata Steel, TCS are called as the company code. Why we'll
Yeah.
talk like Tata Motors is a company code? See, Tata Motors is a completely separate business. Tata Steel separate business, and TCS is a IT company and having separate business.
Yes, yes,
Right?
yes, yes.
So within a company, all the type of businesses are called as the company code.
Okay.
Right? Right. So
Yes.
let example, Puneet, you have the company is Puneet Private Limited. You have a biscuit factory and you have a real estate business.
Mm.
Right. So that means you have two company code. One is biscuit, and another one is the real estate company.
Yes. Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And there will be the possibility of some company may have the only single business, right? It may be
Yes.
possible also, right? So that means you
Yes.
have a single company code.
Okay. Okay.
Got it? So
Yeah.
I'm just assuming you have only one business that is called as the biscuit business, right? So that's why I am taking the Punit Private Limited as the company, as well as I can take the same name. Otherwise, I can give the name as Punit Biscuit Factory as our company code. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now come to the plan. What is and see what is the definition of a company code? Company code का definition क्या होगा? The unity having own loss profit account and balance sheet account is called as a company code. Right? The unity having own loss profit account and a balance sheet account is called as the company code. Right? See, जो balance sheet account, it is the part of the FI, right? It is a FI word, right? So Tata Motors having own loss profit account. So they have like have the profit account or loss account. How much like revenue they have generated in a year, right? And how much losses or how many profits, right? So it will be completely different from the Tata Steel, and it will be different from the TCS, right? So that's why there is the definition. The unity having own loss profit account or balance sheet account is called as the company code. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now come to the plant. What is plant? Plant is a place where there may be the manufacturing work, there may be the production work, there may be the maintenance work, and there may be the purchasing activity is taking place. That is called as a plant. What that mean? Let example, we'll go for the Tata Motors, right? Tata Motors having, let example, we'll take all the Tata Motors stores, right, where the cars will be like selling, right? So those parts we are calling as a plant, right? If we go for the Tata Steel is a manufacturing unity. All the manufacturing unity we can consider as a plant. If you go for the TCS is the IT company. All the head offices of the TCS or IT company, we are considered as a plant. So what is the definition of a plant? Plant is a place where there may be the manufacturing activity is taking place, otherwise production work is taking place, otherwise maintenance work is taking place, otherwise it may be the head office of the company. So those are called as a plant of the company. Clear?
Okay.
That means what? A company code having multiple plants. That means Tata Motors having different plan, Tata Steel having different plan, and TCS having different plans. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So here we have assuming Punit Biscuit Factory. Let example, right? You have the biscuit factory, right, in Mumbai one. यहाँ पे एक प्लांट है आपका, right? Another second one is in Bangalore. So that means you have two plants where manufacturing unit is taking place, manufacturing activity is taking place. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now come to the storage location. What is storage location? Where we are storing the material physically. Right? So let example we have a plant, right? So in plant, what will happen, right? Whatever the materials we are producing, right, we are purchasing. To store those material, we need different storage location because we cannot keep all material in a single place, right? Let example to manufacture a biscuit we need the like a sugar and different thing, right? So we cannot keep all those materials in a single place. For that we have to like assign different storage location. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. So that means all the plant may have multiple storage location. Let example Mumbai में जो plant है, so to store the raw material there will be a raw material store, right? There may be a 10 to 20 raw material store also. I just assuming that there will be a raw material store. There will be a finished material store. Finished material store means what? So after manufacture, after product producing the finished product means biscuit. We have to keep in a like a store. So there will be called as the finished material store, right? So in this way you have to create the storage location in Mumbai as well as in Bangalore, because whatever the like plants you have, in all the plant there will be the storage location. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So then come to the purchasing
So
organ.
all the plants will have different locations for each material, or it'll have only one
Can you
storage
repeat
location.
once? What do you say?
So, for example, the Mumbai plant will have a different
Mhm.
storage location or one storage location.
But mostly a different storage location, because one plant may have like 8 to 10 storage location as well.
Okay.
Yeah. I will show you a like a practical like a screen in the next class, right? I will show you a like a business blueprint document, how to like
Okay.
you will create everything. Yeah. So next come to the purchasing organization. What is the purchasing organization? Purchasing organization is the organization level who will take care of purchasing activity, right? That means what? In all plant or company code, there will be the purchasing organization who will take the responsibility of purchasing activity. So that means what? The purchasing organization is within the plant, otherwise within the company code. It is not never coming under the in the last. It is always coming with the plant, otherwise company code. Clear?
Yes.
So purchasing organization, what will the work of the purchasing organization? Purchasing organization will take the responsibility of purchasing activity within the
Like
company. Which
purchasing the
matter?
raw materials like that.
Hmm. Yes, whether we
Raw
are like going to
materials
purchase the
also.
material or not, right? So everything will take care by the purchasing organization.
Okay, buying the sugar, flour, butter, all these things for the biscuit factory, right?
Yes. And see, there will be two things. One is purchasing organization, another one is purchasing group, right? I will explain you in future what is purchasing group, right? In purchasing group, there will be multiple people will be there who will take the responsibility of purchasing a particular material. But purchase organization is a organizational level, right? It is a department. You can say it is a department who will take the responsibility of purchasing activity.
Mm.
Yes. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. So these are the things we have to create in SAP, right? So now let me show you the practical screen. Till time any doubt?
No, fine.
So this is the SAP GUI screen, right? So it is called as the SAP Easy Access screen, right? So in Easy Access screen, all the end users will work, right? All the end users will work in this screen. So let example, you were like practicing for the purchase order. So see, how to create a purchase order? There is called as the T code ME21N. It is called as a T code. T code means what? Transactional code. T code means transactional code. Okay. So and this box is called as the command box. This box is called as the command box. In command box, you have to put the T code ME21N. So I just click enter. So in this screen, we are creating the purchase order, right? So how to create the purchase order? First, we have to mention the document here, right? So how to create the document? It will be the work of the consultant, right? We'll learn in future, right? So here we have to put the supplier code. Supplier code means vendor from whom we are going to purchase the material. Till time we have not covered that part, right? So what we have covered? Organization data only. See, we have explained regarding the purchase organization company code, right? So to purchase any material, we must have to give the company code and purchase organization, right? So then we have to give the purchase group, we have to give the supplier, then we have to give the material. So first, what we have to do, how I am covering the topic, first we will create the organization data, then we will create the supplier data, then we will create the material data, then only we come to the purchase order or P2P process. Got it?
Okay.
If you will go to
Yeah.
directly purchase order, you cannot do that. You will face the error.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So In organization data, we have covered purchase organization and company code. So see, if you click here, if you will find a drop down over here, F for help, right? You'll find the options available over here. See, I cannot take a random thing over here because there will be the organization level. There will be the issue, right? So see, in organization, in purchase organization, if you see here, it is mentioned as the purchase organization, right? But before that, here mentioned as one, two, three. If you go for
Yes.
that purchase organization, one, two, three, four. So what that mean? If you go for the similarly company code, if you go for the company code, here you'll find SAP SE, SAP SE, Infosys company code, right? So here every description is mentioned, and in left side there is a code, right? So in SAP, what will happen in each and every places we have to give the code only. You cannot give the description of the name, right? What that mean? So whatever the organization structure we have to create this thing, we have to give a code for that, and there will be a SAP standard, and it is mandatory. And why we have to give the code? There is no logic. SAP have designed in that way. We have to create a code for that. That means what? To create a company, let example, company name is Prunita Private Limited, right? And the company code will be 6 character. The code of the company will be 6 character maximum. And it may be alphabet, it may be numerical, or it may be alphanumerical. Anything you can give for the company code. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, the code of the company will be 6 character. Let example I will give for the for the this purpose only. Let example our company PUNI. I just take it 4 character. It will be also fine. But maximum there will be 6 character. Let example I will take as PUNI zero.
Maximum it can be six characters, but minimum it can be anything.
Uh-huh. Maximum 6 character. So let example I will give the code as PUNI 01. Okay.
Okay.
It will be a alphanumerical. Okay. You can take also only numerical also. It will be fine. See, it is a practice server. It is a practice server. Many people are created like many thing. It may be like you whatever the thing we are going to take that should not present previously. If it will be like previously present, you cannot create that, right? You have to give a separate code. But in the real time when you will work, right, nothing will be there. There will be some standard code will be there, right? Like 0001 or 0002. These are the standard codes there will be, right? But you can create as per the client's requirement. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So basically, how we are like creating the code in this way only, because as per the company name, we are creating the code, right? So and this is the company code. So similarly, if you will go for the company code, right, company code will be maximum 4 character. The code of the company code will be maximum 4 character, and I just give the name as PUNI, let example. Got it?
Yes.
So similarly, plant code will be maximum 4 character, right? So we have to create a two plan. See, I have taken one company code, but I have taken two plan. Why? Because in future we are going to learn a process called as the stock transfer process. For that process we need two plan, right? So in a proper plan way, I've just taken the training, right? So that's why I'm just assuming there will be two plan. Clear?
I don't understand this part.
We are going to learn a process called as the stock transfer process, right? Where
Stock
we
transfer.
have to
Okay.
transfer the stock from one plant to another plant. That means we need two plant in that like a case study, right? So that's why in the starting only I have created two plant.
Mhm. Okay.
Huh. But a company may have a multiple plant as well, right? It is also fine.
Okay.
Okay. So I will assume the plant name as first plant is PUN1, and the second plant which is present in Bangalore, that is PUN2. It will be fine.
Okay.
Okay. There is two plant within the same company code. There is a two plant. One is PUN1 and second one is PUN2. Now come to the storage location. Storage location code will be also maximum 4 character, and the code will be, let example, the raw material store code is 1000. The code is 1000, and the finished material code is 2000. So you can say like, sir, why this is only numerical? I'm just taking the training in a good like in a way. So that's why I'm taking just 1000. You can give the code as PUN1 also. There will be no issue. You can give the name anything you can give. It may be alphabet. It may be numerical. Got it?
Yes.
Huh.
And alphanumerical also, right?
Yes. So I am just assuming PUN1 within plant, right? Within the plant PUN1, there is two storage location. One is called as 1000, second one is 2000. Similarly, within PUN2 storage plant, in PUN2 plant, there is two storage location. One is 1000 and another is 2000. Is it also fine? Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now come to the purchase organization. Purchase organization code will be also maximum 4 character, and the code I am giving as PUNI. So you can give different code also. But I'm taking the company code same as purchasing organization. Why? Because it will be easy for me to remember. Okay, I know like I'm taking the training to different student. So the company code is same with the purchase organization. But you can take the different code also. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. So now we'll do this thing in the practical way. How we can create. So see, it is the end user screen. So to the configuration, what you have to do, you have to go for the SPRO screen. In SPRO, so SPRO is a T code. So what? SPRO. SPRO. SPRO full form is SAP Project Reference Object. Right. So to do the backend configuration, we have to put here the SPRO. After SPRO, you will come to the this screen, and here you have to click on the SAP reference IMG. This is the IMG screen. You have to click here. So then you will find the screen like this, right? So all the consultant will work in this screen. It's not about only MM consultant, FI consultant, PP consultant, MMSD. Every consultant will work over this screen, right? So now we are doing the enterprise structure. So what we have to do here, you will find the enterprise structure. If you click here, nothing will happen. If you click here, this symbol, you will click here, you will find the note regarding that. Okay, what is enterprise structure? You will find the note, right? And but yes, to create the company, what you have to do, you just click on the arrow mark. You have to click the arrow mark, it will expand like this. If you click again, it will minimize. You have to expand, then you have to go for the definition. Then here you will find the financial accounting. Within financial accounting, you have to create the company. So here there is the clock symbol. This is called as the execute symbol. You just click on execute. So you will find the companies over here. So all the students have defined different companies over here, but in the real time, as I said, there will be no such thing over there, right? So to create our company, right, how to do? So just go for the new entry. Go for the new entry here. Go for the new entry. Give the code of the company. So already we have decided the code will be PUNI01. So give the code over here. Then give the description of the company. So this is ठीक है. So this is the name of the company. So what is the name to some company may have some different name or a nickname, right? So you can give the that name as well, right? If there will be old name, but it is not mandatory. If you want, you can give any name, right? Then give the address of the company. So see, here I'm just giving the address and all from my end, but you have to give as per the client's requirement. When you will implement SAP in a company, so there will be a part called as the business blueprint part. In that part, what you have to do, you have to asking the question to the client, right? And they have give you the all the information, right? You have to ask them where is your plan, where is your like business unity, what is the address, postal details and all. So as per that, you have to give the details over here. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. So let us jump. I just assuming the lane number is 09, and the post box, if you want give, this is the post box I just giving randomly, right? And the pin code is 657 randomly, right? The city is, let example, Mumbai, and the country is India. See, here if you'll click, there is nothing is coming, but if you'll click here, you'll find the option like this. So it is a
Yes.
search option. You can find out the option over here. Here you can find out over here. So country is India, so you can find here India. And for the India only there is a code. So IN is the code for that, right? Similarly, for the language key, we have to choose as the EN English, and currency is INR Indian rupee. So, let example, your company you are implementing SAP for some foreign country, a company which belongs to the foreign. So, accordingly, you have to choose the language key, country, and currency and all. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now click enter, click enter, then you have to click on save. So this is the save option. So click on save. So when you will save the data, right, you will find a pop-up like this. So here you will find a number. It is called as the transport request number. It is called as the transport request number or a TRN number. What is the importance of that? So see, in SAP, when you will implement SAP, there will be different server. One is called as the development server. We'll discuss those part in the like project classes. I just give you the hints. There will be a development server. There will be the quality server. Already you may work on that. If you're in right quality server, there will be the production server. So whatever the configuration we will do, that will be in the development server, right? So currently we will do the configuration on development server, but the testing part will taking place in the quality server. So whatever the configuration we have created in the development server, that must be transferred to the quality server. Otherwise, you don't need to like create again in the quality server, right? So to transfer the configuration to the quality server, how it will be happen? That will be through the a TRN number, right? So you have to save that TRN number in the real time in a Excel sheet in the serial manner, and at the end you have to give that TRN number to the basis consultant. The basis consultant will transfer the configuration from one server to another server. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So when you will do the configuration for a new TRN number, ladies and we are doing the enterprise structure
What
now,
is
right?
the
And
TRE number? What is the number? TRE.
TRN, transport request number.
Okay.
TRN.
Okay.
Yes. So, how to generate a new TRN number? Ladies and we are doing the enterprise structure, right? So we have a TRN number. So ladies and then after we will create a master data, material master. Then after we can create some other TRN number. How to do that? You just go for this one. This is the create request. Here see number is 927 here, right? If you create a new one, I just give the description as you just give the description, right? Once you change the description, the TRN number will change. So see, it is changed and the number also changed. Got it?
Oh, why? Oh, why we are changing it?
Because see, now we are doing the enterprise structure. Next topic is metal masters, right? So we have to know where
Is it?
the like configuration is storing. The
Okay.
whatever the configuration we are creating, that is storing through this TRN number only.
Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, initially we have created some 9247 for the company we have created, right? TRN number we have created. So we are changing
What
the
we have
number to this
created? What we
or
have created?
creating?
What we have created?
We have
We have not
created some
created
TRN
the
number.
TRN number. See, whatever the TRN number was coming here, right? So that was from the previous like classes. If some other student have been changed the TRN number, like see now Punit enterprise structure I have given, right? So when I will do some other configuration, the same TRN number will come. What
Okay.
I mean to say, now you are creating a enterprise structure, right? For the enterprise structure, you have to create a TRN number, right? So similarly, when you will go for the material master data, so for the material master configuration, you have to create another TRN number, because if you will keep all the configuration in a single TRN number, right? So if there will be some like data mismatch, all the configuration will be mismatched. So that's why for a
Okay.
particular topic, you need to create another TRN number.
Okay. First, you have created a company.
Hmm.
For that, we have received a TRN number, right?
So that was existing. That was the default TRN number came, right? But I
So
need this
we
configuration must
don't.
be here.
Okay, my doubt is here. So we don't want that number. We want some another number. So we are creating like this,
Yes.
right?
I just
But
explained you how to create this TRN number.
Yes, but now also when we are creating, we are not giving our own required number, right?
No,
Now also,
that will
so
come from the
default number is
system.
going to come
It
in.
will come automatically. It
So
will
that
come
is that
automatically.
fine? If that comes from default, is that fine?
Yes, yes, yes. It will be done by the like ABAPer,
The
right?
one
They have
which
given
comes,
a number.
the one which came earlier was not the new number.
What
Why
is
did you change this? Why we did not keep the old number, which was the
see?
9247?
I'm just changed because I just want to explain you ki how it will happen, right? So let example
Okay.
you are doing the configuration. What I say, ki like you are doing the enterprise structure, right? You have to save the data in this TRN number and you have to save this TRN number because when you will transfer this configuration to some other like server, right?
Yeah,
You have to give
understood that part. My
understood,
doubt.
right? So see
Why
in
did we change the number? Why we want to change the number? Transaction,
see,
the TR number.
exactly, just saying, right? So now there is a tier number, right? Some others, let example, there is a default TRN number, right? So let example, some FICO consultant also do the same configuration over here, right? When he will save the data, he will get the same TRN number, whatever you have created also.
Oh, why? How come? Will it provide the same? Will it create the same TR number for everyone who are
See,
accessing the server?
previous, whatever the previous TRN number was there, that will populate over here.
Okay.
Yes. Right now we have do the configuration, right? So let example, I will do another configuration, right? I will do another configuration. Let example, this is a company as PUNI 02. I just currency is INR, language key is English, IN, right? I just save the data now.
Mhm.
Okay, see here the data already saved, right? That means the data is saved in which TRN number? In your TRN number.
Why?
Because that was the default that will come by default. We cannot do that in that way. Let example, I will delete this one. I will delete this one. When I will delete and I will go for save, right? So that also like deleted from that TRN number, that will come automatically. Like whatever the previous activity was there, right? If I will go for here, see, now I did
So now
anything.
we have received a TR number, right?
Yes,
No, the
that is a
previous one.
default. That is the previous one. See, this is the previous TRN number was.
Okay. Understood. So we have to now create a new TR number. It is showing the number which was created earlier for the last creation, right?
Yes. So
Okay.
to change that, if you want, you can change that, right? But like for all the enterprise structure, we need the same
So
TRN number. So in
this
that case, we
pop-up,
don't need.
so this what? Okay. Please correct me if I'm wrong.
Hmm.
So this pop-up is letting you to create a transaction number. It is not automatically creating a transaction number and giving you. So this pop-up is allowing you to create a transaction number for our own company, we have created, right?
Not exactly that. So see, when you are saving the data, right,
Mm.
you need to save the data in a TRN number, right? So first thing, when you will save the data, there will be the earlier TRN number will come here, right? That will be populated over here. If you want to save the data in the same TRN number, you can just click enter and you can save the data,
Ah,
right?
okay.
But
Okay.
but you can create your new one as well.
Okay. So why do we want to save in the same number? For example, if you want to change the address or anything, we can change and save in the same number.
Oh,
Or
yes,
else, if
you
we
can
are
change
creating a
that.
new company, then we will be creating a new transaction number, right?
As I said, TRN number when we are creating for a particular topic, there will be a single TRN number, right? For the enterprise structures, whatever the changes we will do, otherwise we create anything, that will be a single TRN number. right? We don't need like multiple TRN number. For the next topic, ladies and material master, there will be a different TRN number. So that when
Okay.
we will transfer the data from ladies and we transfer first enterprise structure to other server, right? So first for for a single TRN number, we'll like transfer that.
Okay.
Don't like you put into this, right? In future, you will learn about this thing in like project class. You just
Okay.
know
Okay.
कि how to create the TRN number and how it's saved in the data.
Understand. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this is the company we have created. And see, whatever the thing like in the real time, the company and company code, both the thing is not our work. It will the work of the FICO consultant.
Okay.
Company code creation, it will be the work of the FICO. Why we are creating? Because it is the topmost organization level. Without company code we cannot practice ahead, right? You cannot do the
Okay.
practice. So that's why,
Okay.
because since it is a practice server, right? So without company code we cannot go for the like purchase order creation, right? So that's why we were creating.
Okay. But
But
usually the MM consultant will not create company code. It
yes,
will be taken care by
yes,
FICO.
yes.
Okay.
So, as a MM consultant, you get the interview question. What will the organization structure as a consultant? What you have to create? You have to tell. Starting from the plant, storage location, and purchasing organization. This will be the part of the MM only,
Okay.
right? So similarly जो SD consultant होंगे, for the SD point of view they have to create the storage, they have to create the purchasing organization, sorry, they have to create the sales organization, division, sales and distribution channel, right? So that means enterprise structure is not about this five thing. Enterprise structure is different for different consultant. The FI consultant will create the company code, business like a business area, they have different, right? For as a SAP MM consultant, we have to create plant, storage location and purchasing organization. Got
Okay.
it? Yes. So we'll cover this much today. In the next class, we'll learn how to create the company code, right? Right, and then we'll learn how to like assign with each other,
Okay.
because how the system will recognize this company code is belongs to this company, right? For that, we have
Okay.
to do the assignment as well.
Okay.
So, right? Any doubt till time? All clear?
No, yeah, clear, clear.
Okay. Okay. Fine.